Good morning all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary and today is my topic is linked list in Java. So Java linked list calls user a doubly linked list to sort the element. It provides a linked list data structure. In inherits the abstract list class and implement list and DQ interface. The important points of Java linked list are Java linked list can be can contain duplicate element. Java linked list class maintains insertion order. Java linked list class is non-synchronized. Java linked list class manipulation is fast because no shifting needs to occur. Java linked list class can be used as list, stack, or queue. So hierarchy of linked list class. Java linked list class extend abstract sequential list class and implement list and DQ interface. So doubly linked list. In case of doubly linked list, we can add or remove element from both side. Suppose null 10, 20, 30, so null. So linked list class declaration. Suppose public so declaration of linked list class java.util.linkedList class public class linked list e extend abstract sequence. So constructor of Java linked list, first of all linked list, so it is used to construct an empty space. Second, linked list collection extend e, so it is used to construct a list containing the element of the specified collection in the order they are written by collection iterator. So methods of linked list, first is boolean add, so it is used to append the specified element to the end of list. So second one is void add, so it is used to insert the specified element at the specified position index in the list. So next one is a boolean add, so it is used to append all of the element in the specified collection to the end of this list in the order that they are written by the specified collection iterator. So next one is a boolean add all, so it is used to append all the elements in the specified collection to the end of this list in the order that they are written by the specified collection iterator. So next one is a boolean add all in index collection extend, so it is used to extend all the element and the specified collection starting at the specified position of the list. Next one is a void add first, so it is used to insert the given element at the beginning of the list. So next one is a void add last, so it is the use to append a given element to the end of list. Void clear, so it is used to remove all the element of the list. Next one is a object clone, so it is used to return a slow copy of an array list, shallow copy of a array list. So next one is a boolean contain, so it is used to return true if a list contain a specified element. The next one is a e element. E element, it is used to retrieve the first element of the list. Next one is a e get int index, so it is used to return the element at the specified position in a list. Next one is a eget first. So it is used to return the first element in the list. And next one is a eget last. So eget last, it is used to return the last element in the list. So next one is a boolean offer. So boolean offer, it adds the specified element as the last element of the list. The last one is a epic. Epic is a it retrieves the first element of the list. So this is the linked list of the Java.